Marhaban bil jamii. Hi everyone, this is Maizuddin Aladimeji, and in this video we'll be learning 4 additional letters which are very they are quite uncommon. They're not we don't really have much of these letters in English language. So let's try to explore them. The first one here is Ain. Ain. you know it's coming from deep in the throat. It is Ain, Ain, Ain. So you hear sometimes when people recite the Quran and maybe they're reciting Surah to Fatiha and they get to for instance صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. That is the Ain. So Ain is coming from the throat, deep in the throat. Ain. Then the next one here we have Gain. 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 Just like you're trying to gargle. Gain. Then Fa. Some people call this Faf, but it's better called Fa. That's the real name of that letter. Fa. Fa. So and pronouncing this is not something very far. It's fun actually. So it's just like the F in fun. We have Fa. Then the next one here we have off. Off. Off sounds like you're trying to cough actually, because it's not the regular key sound, not the K sound. We have another letter in Arabic that is similar to K sound of English language, the K. But in this case, it is puff, 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 also coming from deep in the throat. Puff, puff. Now let's check how to write the letters. For Ain, I think it looks like a 3 because 3 is like this. Oh, sorry. 3 is like this. So I think a mirror image of 3 then. A mirror image of 3, but then the two sides of the 3 are not equal. So there's a smaller side up and a bigger one coming like a tail one down. So we have this, that is Ain. Okay, let's do it again. Ain, 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 Ain. Okay, so if it is Gain, then you just have to add a dot on top. Gain, 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 Gain. Then if it is Fa, for Fa, you start with something looking like a circle, and then you give it a tail to the right. Quite a long tail in this case for Fa, a long tail, then curving up with a dot. Fa. So let's try it again. Like a circle, and then give it a tail. Fa. Again. Fa. 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 Now for Qaf, it is similar to the shape of Fa, but with 2 dots above instead of the 1 dot we're having in Fa. So in the case of Qaf, you have 2 dots, and we try as much as possible not to make the tail as long as Fa when it's standing alone like this. You have Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. All right, so that's I believe that's clear enough. So we have Ain, Gain, Fa, and Qaf. Okay. All right. See you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.